Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Amina Saqifa, and if you have been here before, then welcome back and Eid Mubarak. Okay, in today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to create one of my favorite full glam makeup looks, which I did for this Eid. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, I'll use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water to prep my skin. Next, I'll use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this really hydrates my skin. I also like to massage it with my fingers rather than a brush. And now, since this is my full glam Eid look, I'll use the Huda Beauty Nymph Body Highlighter in Luna for this extra inner glow. Now the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade Custard. Then I'll blend it in with the Sameer Kazami Beauty Sponge. Next, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in shade Light Neutral under my eyes, on my forehead, nose and my chin. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit and I'll be contouring in the meantime. So I'll use the Smashbox Step by Step Contour Stick today, and I'm gonna contour my nose, forehead, cheeks and my jawlines. This is the perfect contouring stick for beginners and professionals since it's so creamy and blendable. And now I'll blend it with the tapered brush from Sarah Artistry, and I love how it perfectly blends cream contour. Then I'll blend the concealer with the Sameer Kazami Beauty Sponge. Okay, now I'm gonna bake with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. Next, I'll be doing my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I'll set them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Now I'll use the Tarte Clay Play Palettes Powder Contour in the shade Desert to set my cream contours. Now for the blush, I'll be using California from the Benefit Cosmetics Cheek Leaders Pink Squad Palette. Next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Embrace Highlighter for the glowy effect. I like to add a little bit on my inner corner, and ooh, look at the difference. And then on my brow bones. Now the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Highlighter for some shine. Wow, look at that sparkle. For eyes, I'll use the Huda Beauty Remastered palette, and up first is the shade Sandalwood for a pretty base. Then I'll darken it up with the shade Henna and I'll blend well. And for the outer corner, I'll use the shade Cocoa. Next, with the shade Black Truffle, I'll create a smoky effect. Now I'll apply my concealer to my inner corners and work it towards the middle to make a perfect semi-cut crease. Then I'll apply the same shades in the same order under my eyes. Next, I'll use the Unique Shimmer Powder in Champagne and apply it on top of my concealer. Then I'll apply the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliners in the shade Glam Rock and Midnight Cowboy, and I'll apply them over my shimmer powder. Then again with the shade Black Truffle, I'll create a smudgy black liner. Now I'll put my falsies on with the Huda Beauty Waterproof Flash Glue. Now it's time for my favorite Benefit mascara. Now I'll apply the YSL Matte Lip Stain in the shade 16, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the complete full glam makeup look. What do you guys think of this look? You can stop here if you want, but I wanted to be extra, so I added a bit of lip gloss. And the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Luminizer is perfect for this job. This is the final result. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what look you wanna see next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn bell notification on for more makeup looks.